Montero on the left side, inside, 2 points. That 2 points is brought to you by Uncle Drew. Bobao on the left side, inside, denied. Bobao stolen. On the right side, back to Bobao on the glass. Too short. Last break opportunity. Diretso, wala. Ulipo ni Kuya Jem. Bobao nagpapadali. On the left side, pinasa kay Ryan Mabigan. Fast transition. Oy, up and under. Too short. Kuya Jem setting up the play. On the right side to Bobao. Bobao. Back to Sardo. Sardo. Traveling violation. On the right side, little pass, no good, too short pa rin. To Bobao penetrating. So Kuya Jem on the middle, automatic. All two. On the right side, back to set up play. Anong gagawin nyo on the left side? Inside. Higher percentage shot. What a great shot. 4-2. On the left side to Kirby. No good. To Bobao. Hesitation. Back to Kuya Jem. Kuya Jem for 3. Too short. Kapikat. Kay Paupo pa rin. Ang sipad. Up and under. Sayang. Depensa bata. Inside. Rota. No good. To Sardo. Kapikat. Sardo. Body. Inside. 2 points. All 4. Opponent's ball. Kirby. Terase. Kanya ulit. Crossover. Oy! Tapik ni Sardo. Inside. Yes, sir! Pamansang reverse. Ayos, ha? Oy! Quick to answer back. Sasagot ba? Uh-oh. Flips. All 6. Bobao on the right side to Sardo. Sardo sizing up. Puts him for 2 points. Basket in. Photo shot para kay Torillo. Yes, sir. 3-point play. 7-6. On the right side, 3. No good. Kapigan. Ay, Popo ang bola. Nagpapadali. Open. Foul. That puts him for 2 free throws. First shot. Yes, sir. Pag pumasok, change court, ha. Second shot. Change court. Oy! Kapigan. Number 12, 3, wala. Tumabaw, ano gagawin mo? Oy! Kanya ulit. Speed. Oy! Sayang. Sumisarpol ka, ha? Idol ganyan, sarpol, eh. Basket. Nakita mo po, sarpol, no? Idol ganyan ni Pau Pau. Oy! Tapigan. Sardo. Basket count. Thank you, sir. Adrian. 11-8. Murillo. Automatic. 12-8. Number 12. Back to LSC. Making Mondero, number 69. 2 points. 10-12. Bombao. Suason. Opia. Oy, lefty. Fast break opportunity. Oy! Kanya ulit. Ang lakas. Tupaw-paw. Ano gagawin mo? Oy! Sardo. 14. The muscle man. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds in the game. Left side wide open. Diretso, pare. 3! Yes, sir. Isa na lang. Depensa kayo, pare. 13-14. Depensa, pare. Isa lang yan. Ang bigat ro. 3 points. Lapas sila. Lalabang ba? Lalabang na. Lalabang. Oy! Nahuli. Last 2 minutes. Defense. Pau-Pau. Yan, mga depensa. Jefferson. Wala. Kay Sardo ang bola. Sizing up. Offensive foul. Lamang ang isa. Lamang ang isa. Ayos, ayos, ayos. Offense. Defense. Last 1 minute and 33 seconds. Finding the open man. And now, oy, shoulder pick. Oy, in the back. Oy, stepping on the line. Sayang, pare. Oh, last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Open. Oy, tapikan. Fast break opportunity. Faking. Inside foul. Sumundot. Two free throws. Shoot mo para tatlo. Unang pukul. Wala. Take time, take time. Shoot mo pare. Wala. Huli. Tama, tama, tama. Last 50 seconds. Last 45 seconds. Defense. Shoot kayo, shoot. Para maglabas. Kirby, umatake na. Tali kayo. Wala. Example foul. 2 free throws. 14-15. Last 34 seconds. Shoot mo para tabla. Oy, tabla. All 15. Tabla shoot mo pa isa. Lalamang. Shoot mo. Shoot ka. Last 33 seconds. Dapat makashoot kayo. Oh!